If you've ever dreamed of a self-updating financial model dashboard, I'll show you how you can do this with AnyDB. You're looking at a real FinOps workspace inside AnyDB. Everything is organized into folders, from accounts payable and receivable to financial models, in a very structured and clean way. But most importantly, it's all connected. Firstly, I'm going to show you that it's very easy to start. Click New. You can see all pre-built templates by scrolling down. Create a new data document and start from scratch, or import your own sheets from Google Sheets, Excel, and more. Once you create your first data document inside a database, everything can be connected like a real business operational system. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to choose one of these example databases available for anyone to start getting familiar with AnyDB. This is an invoice dashboard. Right away, you've got total invoices, what's been paid, what's still open, all from paid structured invoice records pulled here underneath. To add a new invoice record to this dashboard in a shareable form format, you can click on Sharing and Forms. Choose the Invoice Record Pre-Built template or one of your own templates. And enable sharing so you can copy the link and share it with your collaborators. In AnyDB, you can turn your invoice template into a form so your vendors or team members can securely submit data directly into your system. So there's no need to open emails, messages, or PDFs to update the dashboards manually. As you can see, when someone fills it out, a new invoice record is created inside the dashboard automatically. And when you mark it as paid, those updates flow anywhere. Dashboards, reports, models, everything updates instantly because it's all interconnected. If you still need a PDF version of your invoice or any other record, just in case, you can also have it, no problem. If you need reminders to follow up, this is also possible. At the top of any record you can assign to someone, set a status as open or closed, add follow-up reminders with a date so we can just ping you here or your emails, and even lock this table from edits so no one can edit it. This is a very interesting feature that makes every single record inside AnyDB actionable. There's a clear owner for each record, and no more forgetting who's supposed to follow up when. Now here's where AnyDB can get very powerful and act like a real business operational system to manage your finances. You can connect every single record from any department, if you have the permissions, of course, and sync them together. For example, if you're still updating your expenses sheet and financial model by hand, we can fix that. To connect them, you simply go to any cell within a data document, right-click, copy the absolute reference. Go to another data document, in this case a financial expenses sheet. Just like Excel, you add an equal sign and paste the absolute reference. And that's it. Now if the invoice changes, for example, the quantity goes up. The invoice dashboard updates, and so does your financial expenses sheet instantly, automatically. No exports, no broken formulas, just data that flows where it needs to go. Now let's take it a step further. Because this isn't just about linking numbers. It's about building a system that thinks like your business does. If we go inside our financial model, we're not manually adding numbers here. We're pulling in info directly from our data documents, or, in other words, business records. To do this, you format a cell as a reference, like it's been done here. Select your expense detail sheet, and it's done. Actuals, budgets, calculations, forecasting, all sync automatically. You change something once, and it updates everywhere. No spreadsheets to chase, no team members to bother. And the best part? You can connect this to anything. Sales, HR, IT, marketing, as long as you have access. That's it. Now you have a financial model that updates itself. We've built AnyDB to get work done, not add to the chaos.